So now you understand why this curly braces is here, because we are trying to use a variable which is present in JS file. Got it?
Yes.
Right. So please understand this very carefully because this is very important. So now let's say now we have now we know what is the record we need to display. So now we need to display the name and the phone number of the contact only. Only the name and phone number should be displayed in this component. So how can we make sure that we just okay. So after this session, all of you try this in your just install a VS Code, create this component. I will tell you, and you need to do this as an assignment. Okay.
Sure. Okay.
So this component would display the name and phone number of the contact. So here I mentioned account, so I can make it just contact. Okay. So any doubt on this?
How do we get to know that the current record's name and phone is getting displayed?
Sorry.
And so how do we get to know that the name and phone number,
Uh-huh.
whenever record ID will be changing? So how do we get to know that the name and phone number are displaying of that particular record ID and it's not fetching the previous?
Okay. So see, once this is done, let me just tell you this.
Yes.
So it's part of the record view form. Okay. So once we mention that in the record view form, the definition of the record view form, once we mention that the record ID is this only. So which means we will display the name and phone number of that particular record because we've already mentioned the record ID over here. Got it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Any doubt, Partha?
No, fine, sir.
Okay. So your task will be to write a LWC component okay. So your task will be to write a LWC component which will display the account details with name, phone, email, and website. So you will try to create this on your in your own machine and you need to do this. Okay, so if you have any doubt, just let me know and then I can address them. So again, one more thing just to mention you that. So there is no save button because it is a view form only. So you cannot edit it. So there is no button you can include here. So in the lightning record view form, there is no button like save, cancel like that. There is no button. Got it?
Yes. And after writing the code in the VS Code, sir, how do we push it to the Salesforce org?
Okay, so there are you can just watch it in YouTube's and all. So there is some Salesforce extension in the VS Code. There is some Salesforce extension. Okay, and once before you write the code, you need to log in with your Salesforce identity in the VS Code. Okay, so once you do that, there is a deploy option for a particular file, for particular CMP file. So once you click on deploy, it would be deployed. Okay, let me show you one, then you'd be able to understand. Okay. I would have it. I think I want to have this. Okay. My VS Code, I think for this org, it is not configured yet. So once you install it, so once you right click on a particular component or meta file, so you would be able to see the deploy option. So when you click on the deploy to org, so which means your local code will be deployed into the your development org. But before that, you need to log into that. Okay.
I mean, I have to authenticate my org with the VS Code, right?
Yeah, right. Yeah, so that's fine. So you can. Okay, so you have already configured it, Partha?
I have just installed the VS Code. Yeah.
Okay. So once you install it, just
Yeah.
I mean, just configure it with your particular development org. So there is an option you can log in from VS Code to your particular development org. Okay. So just check it out. If you cannot, then I will help you in the next session.
Sure.
Okay. So till now, any doubt you have?
I have.
Yeah, go ahead. Suraj, I think you were trying to tell something. You are on mute.
Oh, sorry. Can you please scroll up?
Yeah, sure.
The target part.
The target part you were saying.
Yeah, initially.
Okay, so yeah, this one you were telling, right?
Yes, that I would like to.
Right.
Could you
See,
please explain?
yeah. So let's say, see, when you open a contact, right? So once you open a contact or account, it is called a record page. It's an account record page, or it's a component a contact record page, where you can see the details of the record. Okay. Correct.
Okay.
So that's a standard view. Right.
Okay.
So if you want to override that standard view using a LWC component, you don't want to have the standard view. You want to have your own view. Correct. So you just create a LWC component which will display all the required details of the account or contact, and you can just use that component in the record page, in the Lightning record page.
Okay.
Got it?
Got it.
So, yeah. So here target means this component can be used as a Lightning record page. Let's say you haven't mentioned this target. You haven't mentioned this. So now it means this component can only be used for Lightning homepage. If you try to use that component in the Lightning record page, it won't work.
Okay, got it.
Got it?
Got it, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, thanks.
So, okay, so this is the pretty basics. I'm going slow with the basics, but once we complete the basics, I will run first. So please make sure that you will be able to cope up. All right.
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So Praveen, is there anything you want me to focus?
No, sir. I'm fine.
So you are good, right? You are good with my explanation. You are understanding, right? Okay. So Praveen, I'm not able to hear you. So.
Sir, I'm good with your explanation. I'm understanding everything properly.
Okay.
Just I want to know that how to install the VS Code. It is from directly from Salesforce or
No,
because once I
you
have
just
tried it
search
from
VS Code
where.
installation for Windows or Mac. So
Okay.
there is a website for VS Code only. So from there you can install it. So installation
Okay.
is not that difficult. So once you install it, you just need to add the Salesforce extensions, and then finally you need to configure them. That's it. So during the configuration, if you have any doubt, I can help you, but please make sure that you have installed it, and at least after installation, just connect all the Salesforce extension that is present.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
And sir, please upload the video after the lecture.
Yeah, I will just upload that in the folder. So just check the folders periodically.
Yes. Fine.
Yes, sir, can you please add the transcripts also along with the video?
Right, correct. Yeah, all right. Okay then. So for today's session, it's all about it. So we will just meet on Wednesday. So that's fine, right?
Sir,
Wednesday same time, sir?
Same time on Wednesday. So Partha, you were telling something?
Yes, sir. Actually, Wednesday I have to go to office and maybe I'll be returning home at 9 p.m. So maybe I'm missing the class on Wednesday, sir.
9 p.m. would be very late. So
Yes, sir.
yeah, okay. Okay, so I will just
Thursday, sir, if it's possible.
Thursday, right? Okay, yeah, we can take it on Thursday. So Praveen and Suraj, Thursday is fine for you. Thursday 7:30.
Yes, sir. Fine.
Yeah, fine.
Okay, then we will meet on Thursday.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye, everyone.
Bye, sir.